Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Design. Today we'll look at unique attractive bungalow designs in 2020. If you are looking for unique bungalow designs, we present to you these stylish, amazing, beautiful and low-cost houses that you can definitely build someday. Bungalow homes design is itself an art and craft, embracing simplicity, handiwork and natural materials. Bungalow are the definition of coziness. We have brought some of the fantastic bungalow house designs that would make great homes for young families or for a person who is tired of city life. Let's take a look. Common opinion among people is that the house has to be huge or expensive to be beautiful or amazing. This is really far from being true. You will notice some pretty small houses in this video that are great and amazing. Good architects and their clients who have taste and style will together create gorgeous modern house designs, no matter how big the house is at the end. Style in architecture. This is another thing strongly related to someone's personality. But you have to admit, when someone has a style, his or her style should reflect it in his or her home. When we take all criteria described above, we get one and only one, the wow factor. When you see modern home and its design, you are either impressed or not impressed. This is how can be described as a wow factor. And in the end, this is the main reason why those homes are in this video. Front facade is probably the most important part of every house design. Since it is facing a public area, it is essential to make sure that the house blends well with the surrounding and fits in the neighborhood in general. Friends, if you are liking this video, you can also visit our website interiordecordesigns.in, or else you can download our app Interior Decor Designs that is available on Android Play Store. This app has all the latest interior design ideas that is required to make your house amazing and cool. All modern interior design ideas are grouped into categories that you can explore by yourself. Each category has thousands of images and designs that are at next level. You can see all the designs and amazing interior concepts and implement that in your home. Even the front facade is of somewhat greater importance. When it comes to a house design, the backyard facade is far from being unimportant. Modern houses are perfect when their exterior house design facing the backyard is complemented with terraces, swimming pools and gardens. Some people simply prefer smaller houses instead of big imposing mansions, and no one can blame them since small modern homes often really do look more charming and beautiful than large houses. Small house design based on minimalism and less is more approach can do wonders. Walkways and paths as well as front yards are equally important for the house's visual appearance as a facade itself. These designs are taken from some of the renowned interior designers. You can implement these designs in your houses and make your house look great. If you want more ideas, you can definitely get it on our website interiordecordesigns.in, or else you can download our app Interior Decor Designs that has tons of interior design ideas and images. You can explore it by yourself. There are many features such as user sign in. User can upload his or image designs on our app also. You can connect. You can download your designs and also share it with your friends and family. So do explore this app as it has thousands of designs and images which will help you in your home interior designs. So friends, as always, if you like this video, please put a thumbs up to this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel if you haven't done so. And we'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, take care and bye.